You can see some snow flurries there in Washington, D.C. We had our own this morning, and they fell in the form of snow needles. If you took a close look at it, those fall typically when temperatures are right around 23 degrees, not heavy wet snow like we would typically see here in central Texas when it does materialize. So a trace officially reported. We've got the extreme cold warnings that are in effect until noon tomorrow. And you know what? I am trending down on temperatures for highs, down into the mid 30s for tomorrow for highs. But I wanted to throw this in here just to tell you there is light at the end of the tunnel. This is next week's forecast, warmer than average. I've got lots of 70s in place, so just hang in there, protect the 4 Ps, and know that next week will be spring-like. Outside right now, oh, it's not spring-like at all. 25 degrees. This morning's low of 20, a new record low. This afternoon's high of 29, a new record coldest high. Working through the night, we've got clouds in place. Assuming that clouds eventually clear, temperatures could drop into the teens, around 18. A wind chill could be as cold as 6 first thing tomorrow morning. That's here in Austin, 15 in Fredericksburg, 16 in Llano, 19 in Elgin, and about 21 in LaGrange. Now, if the clouds don't clear, temperatures might be just a little bit warmer than that. Tomorrow should be a sunny day, though, but I trended the high temperature down to just 35. We're back down into the mid-20s on Friday morning, and then high temperature only about 35 degrees for Friday. And I've added in a 30% chance of wintry mix Friday night into Saturday morning. So let's talk about that a little bit more in depth. Teens for the wind chills right now. By morning, there will be a lot of spots with single-digit wind chills. We still have gusts as high as 25 miles per hour out at the airport. So clouds are trying to eventually clear out, and that should lead to a nicer day tomorrow, albeit cold. So here's a look at your Thursday. 18 degrees in the morning, 28 by lunchtime, afternoon high right around 35 degrees. Here's where things get a little tricky. Cloud cover rolls back in. Friday morning, we're in the 20s again. Friday midday to afternoon, we really don't warm up much. I've knocked our high temperature to 35. Overnight Friday into early Saturday, not all computer models suggesting this, but some are, that we could see some light wintry mix, possibly some icing that then turns over to rain. Now, assuming this happens, worst case scenario is we could deal with a lot of ice. Better scenario is little to no impacts. But I just want you to be aware that I will probably be escalating Friday night to Saturday to a good old-fashioned weather alert because of that ice chance. And then we look ahead to next week. Much, much nicer.